Hello everyone, this is Florence. Welcome to my channel Biology with Florence. So in my channel I am going to post videos regarding the subject biology and the classes from 8th to intermediate. So happily the students or who want to learn more about biology or the other teachers also can watch my channel. See, we are going to deal 8th, 9th, 10th classes. We are having more preference on the 10th standard syllabus as we are having public exam and even intermediate also. So coming to intermediate, we are going to see botany and zoology subjects. So the subjects, the syllabus, if you see, we are having more focus and detailed explanation on Neet. So the Neet NCERT syllabus is also seen in our videos, and even the state syllabus is also covered. So students from 8th to intermediate can happily subscribe my channel and watch my videos. And if you have any doubts regarding biology subjects, you can comment me in the comment section or make a call to me. And please watch my channel, like, share and subscribe. After subscribing, you will get bell icon and tap the all button so that all the videos whatever I am uploading, you will be the first one to receive those videos. And one more thing I want to share, here in my videos will be having a detailed explanation about the subject, and see, the explanation will be very easier to understand by the students. So I feel happy to call this channel as our channel than my channel, because once after watching my videos, you will be becoming a part of my family. So thank you very much.